Hello everyone, this is Gajanan and you are watching Take Rudransi. In this tutorial, I will teach you a jumbotron in Bootstrap 4. So let's create a project and understand jumbotron, right? So this is my plain blank empty project. Just I have installed Bootstrap 4 via CDN. If you don't know, you can check out my previous video on how to install Bootstrap 4 in our application, right? And simply here we will write a code to understand jumbotron. So first we need some content to apply jumbotron, right? So content is, suppose I have a h1 tag, right, and inside we have a content which is hello world, right, and one paragraph tag, and paragraph tag should be closed, and inside this tag we want to some sample text. This is a sample text content like this, right? So with this content we will apply a jumbotron, right? So let's put it a div like this, and div should be closed and give a bootstrap class of jumbotron, right? So the class is jumbotron, right? And simply this text we can put inside the jumbotron, right? So when you save this page and refresh save this code and refresh this page, right, of your browser, so you will see your key content of your website, right? So this is a very important content and we wanna show through jumbotron, right? So this is actually jumbotron, right? So today we have a seen jumbotron, right? So if you have any questions and doubt, you can ask me in a comment section. I'm here to give an answer of those questions. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you soon, till then bye, have a nice day.